Hello, Team Planned. So this is a corporate communication. I just filmed one for our employee base on our associate portal and the page that we have set up, information on COVID-19, information that you should also have on the employee assistance and employee relief funds, information on direct deposit and rapid pay, on their payroll in general. So all important. So now we're going to take some questions from Vinny here. Let me see if I can answer them.
Yep. Can you let us know if we have adequate personal protective equipment in all of our sites?
That is the goal. We are striving to get all the right equipment, the masks, the sanitizer, the gloves, the personal protective equipment everywhere. That has been expressed to me throughout our VPs, EDs, ops managers, going out there with our field. We are pushing and pressing to get all of it now. We have a substantial, if I can say that word, substantial order to get as much as we can in. I've spoken to the CEOs, presidents of Imperial and Daycon, and I'm going to continue to reach out to our contacts. It is not just a planned priority. It is a first service one. The leadership throughout the country is asking us if we can get this equipment as well. So that is the goal. That is the objective, and we're pushing to get it. We should all have the right supplies and equipment to make the difference. So great question. We're on it. We're on it.
When we are back in the offices, will everything be deep cleaned and sanitized?
Absolutely. In fact, I'm in the office right now, but we have offices, in Freehold, Alexandria, Atlanta, San Francisco, Brooklyn, here. I would hope that everyone is using all the right disinfectant products, all the right supplies, the right teams to make sure that when we come back or when you're coming in and out of the offices like now, that you're coming back to a healthy and safe environment for all of us, just as I want for our entire field to be in environments that are healthy and safe.
What are the implications of several states announcing closures to non-essential businesses?
So as far as I know, so these are all, now we're getting kind of technical. I believe we're essential personnel as defined in helping life and safety and building, for the homes that we service, the residential communities we service. So in many or most of the regions, planned is essential. And I know the team's working hard on getting the cards and the ID cards to allow the groups to get into the buildings and to transverse and travel to the property. So at this moment, in most markets, we are deemed essential. And in the ones that we're not, we will make sure that we are. So I'd say that this won't impact our ability or desire to serve. It's that our team members, our field team, needs to know that we're essential and to feel comfortable, going into the buildings, which for the most part, I've seen them step up and meet that challenge.
When can the teams expect to be back in the offices?
I wish I could say soon. I think we're all going to have to get used to this new normal of remote working and really being safe for our parents, our grandparents, our society, by honoring what the guidelines are at the moment. The safer that we are and the healthier practices we have for our field team that's out there in their offices being multi-tenant luxury buildings, active adult communities, assisted living, corporate buildings that are open. We're counting on the team to go to their offices. So I'd love to say that we can get back soon. There are a number of people that are here today. Everyone, hopefully employing best practices and not having a fever and washing their hands and staying 6 feet apart and doing the right thing.
What messaging can we expect via PEX over the coming weeks?
So you can get useful information on what's happening today, information on COVID-19, information on what's going on with the company and with the markets that we service, information on what's happening just in general. We are winning business at the very same time that we are dealing with some of these setbacks as well. So team, I also wanted to let you know, for those of us that are enrolled in our Cigna health plan, I think that's over 400 of the team, all testing for COVID-19 is 100% picked up by our carrier. No deductible, no out-of-pocket costs. If you are getting tested because you have the symptoms or are feeling sick and are being tested and are on Cigna, it is 100% picked up by our carrier, which is a great step and one that's needed. So no deductible, no copay, no out-of-pocket. It is covered, and I think you should know that and want to know that.